Welcome to part 1 Dream of Fire. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. A dream is where it all begins. Hi, hello, I am Sujata Mohan. Back to discuss about dream. A dream is a fantasy. It does not have any boundaries. It is a goal without legs. A dream can be guiding passion of your life. The dream which you are holding in mind is a passive. Some of you already know how difficult it is to dream. It is not that easy as we think. If you want to change your life, there is a process for working on your dream. Are you ready for the journey? Indeed, I would like to read the quote of Harriet Tubman. He says that every great dreams begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach the stars to change the world. He says that success starts with a dreams. It is a vision and a choice. If you never take action, your vision simply becomes a daydream. Be brave to believe that you can change the world. Choose to dream and believe that you can reach the heights of greatness. Have courage to dream, have faith to take action, and have belief that you will become successful. Now, you have to wake up and put it in the work because action is the only thing that matters. Therefore, you have to think big, dream big, believe big, and the results will be absolutely very big. Well, I would like to ask you, what dream is according to you? Is that the dream which you get when you are asleep? Or is that the dream you dream about your future, friendship, love, money, health, leisure, career, marriage, job, home, traveling, etc.? No, that's not exactly what the dream is. I will brief you out what should be your dream if you want to be a successful person. Are you ready with me? According to successful person, dream is unrealistic. It is defined as a vision of hope. It is a belief, it is a confidence that you have in. So every dreamer should have a desire for something very new and essential for their life. Dream ensures the high level of excitement that you should be highly focused to accomplish your goals both in your personal and professional life. It also brings the positivity in yourself and also deals with every challenges you deal with. It also gets you mentally strong to mark your strong existence in any particular field. Students are the ones who should dream big and it is the key of every success in them. Therefore, you should be serious for dreaming big and improve the quality of your life. Do you know the meaning of dream? What D stands for? Deadline. R. Readable. E. Exciting. A. Attainable. M. Measurable. So you should possess all these goals as your dreams. Only then you can see a very successful life. The reason why it is important to follow your dream is your dream has no limits. You are the creator of your destination. You are the creator of your dream. Either it is big or small. When this is understood, you are able to design a way to favor your plan and accomplish your end goals. The more you chase and accomplish your dream, the more the lines of the boundaries that the world puts in front of us fade. As we learn that anything and everything is possible, chasing your dream will develop you courage. Courage is your fuel to achieve amazing success in life. Follow your dreams and exercise courage. Therefore, it is important to follow your dreams. It connects you to inner self. As we all know, we have three minds, that is conscious mind, subconscious mind and unconscious mind. I would also like to tell you there's one more mind which is called as vibrational mind. Listen to your subconscious and vibrational mind. You know what you are. You know what you are good at. You are the captain of the ship. Nevertheless, whatever others say, you follow your inner self. It gives you purpose. It gives you value to your life. It shows you the right path at your destination. However, it also promotes growth, you can see the changes in your life. It makes you to focus and concentrate on your growth. It also helps you in making decision as well, implementing that decision into actions. You can always see success, that is all positiveness, positive energies flowing into your life rather than negativity. Eventually it forces you to inculcate and to be versatile. This is my favorite slide because Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is one of my inspirational persons. I always like to share his quotes in my teachings. Dream before dream comes true. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It's something that does not let you sleep. Dream, dream, dream. Dream transforms into thoughts and thoughts results in action. It's a fabulous quote. Everyone likes it, isn't it? It is easily understood that every successful people have mantra of success which they use to overcome physically, mentally and financial obstacle. They never give up. Successful people never quit ever. Even when times are tough, they try to not stop what they are doing. They think of their end goals and what they can do to get there. They don't even make comparison with others. They are focused and positive always. They find new solutions for overcoming obstacles in their life. They always dream big. They plan and set goals. They even generate high levels of excitement and anticipations. They find abilities to deal with various challenges. They are hardworking and proactive. They don't give excuses. Those who aren't successful in reaching their dreams are the ones who most likely create excuses for why their dreams just aren't achievable. They make their own principles which are important to reach dreams. It helps them to focus and be in track and follow certain things in life. Successful people make sure to stay fit and healthy. They always focus on their health, exercise and with good food. They are the dream catcher who are willing to take risks. They are not in limiting beliefs. They think out of box. In fact, they inculcate new positive habits and behavior to improve the quality of life. Here we go with the next slide. It's about follow steps to achieve the life you have always dreamed of. First of all, you should have a vision in your life. So vision is a speculator that inspires us during our struggles for achievements. Here are some tips that you can apply for the road of success. Firstly, you have to dream it. Every great achievement begins in your mind. You should be there to dream think big unless you learn how to attract your own thoughts. If you are stuck, you will face lack of opportunities, lack of happiness or even lack of love. All this will go out of your way. Therefore, you have to dream big and you have to believe in it. It's your mind that will guarantee what you believe, what you need in your life and what is your amazing success. All it takes few hours for changing your belief. Here I would like to share a story about belief. Here we go with the elephant story. As a man was passing the elephants, he suddenly stopped, confused by the fact that these huge creatures were being held by only a few small tied up rope on their legs. No chains or no cages. It was obvious that the elephant could do anything at any time, break away their bonds, but for some reason they didn't do that. He saw a trainer nearby and asked why these animals just stood there and made no attempt to get away. Well, the trainer said, when they are very young and much smaller, we use the same size rope to tie them, and at the age it's enough to hold them. As they grow up, they are conditioned. Here I am saying they are conditioned to believe they cannot break away. They believe that the rope will still hold them and they never try to break free. The man was very amazed. These animals could at any time break free from their bonds, but because they believed they couldn't, they were stuck right where they are. Like the elephants, how many of us are hanging on to the belief that we cannot do something simply because we failed at it once before? So failure is a part of learning. We should never give up the struggle in our life. We should always think out of our boundary. We should not give up the struggle in life. Hope you like the story. Then when you believe it, you have to see it. The great achievers have the habit to see things. They picture themselves that they are living in the dreams. I would like to suggest you all to watch the movie Secret. When you watch the movie and then apply in your real life, you will see the miracle, the changing game of your life. Please do watch the movie. It's very essential, and I have watched the movie and I have seen the changes in me. And the next one is tell it. Whenever you are following or believing, talk to yourself. Self talk is the best way to know much about yourself. Say yourself, you are the best person, you can do it. For instance, we sometimes talk to ourselves, or we talk to the non-living things like a bat, ball, even the mode of vehicle, where we are when we are late to office or a college, what we do is we talk to our vehicle like a common, it's very common, like everyone does. Come on, go fast, I have to reach office or college in time, or else blah blah blah. We keep talking, or sometimes whatever we say, like why I'm late, what did I do, unexpectedly I have done this. That is a self-talk which we do. So don't sabotage yourself, believe it. It will have, every human beings are capable of being or doing whatever they want. So believe in yourself and express yourself. It will get manifested. So first of all, create in your mind that you have to have a mindset. You should never have a monkey mind. Whatever you ask, you will get. So your thoughts is your seed. So whatever you seed is whatever you are going to reap. What you seed, either negative or positive, it comes back to you. There is many motivational stories related to this. Please do watch in the YouTubes. So you have to plan. Every dream must take the form of plan. Your dream just won't happen. You have to plan. This will be the next topic which I am going to discuss in depth. So write on your planned dream into 3 categories, at least 20 plans of your dream. As your short-term dream from 0 to 6 months, medium-term dreams 0 to 1 year, or long-term from 1 year to the next 5 years where you are going to be, and so on. So whenever you plan, you have to implement it. Practice is the mother of learning. So whenever you practice and implement, only then you will learn a lot. If you work on each day, eventually you will achieve your dream. Right now, after watching this video, start at least writing 20 dreams which you want to achieve. This dream has to be written in a smart way, in a very specific, measurable, achievable and realistic and time-bound way of dreaming. Then at last you can enjoy it when you achieve and fulfill all your dreams. Be sure to enjoy it. Tick all your dreams. When you tick all your dreams which you have achieved, give yourself a huge reward for your work hard and success. Be graceful and generous. Part 2 to be continued. Never miss it.